How to disable Instagram profile picture zoom. Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily disable the Instagram profile zoom. But before getting started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let's jump right in. So the first thing you want to open up your Instagram and make sure that you are logged into your account. So the profile zoom I'm talking about is if someone taps and holds on your profile or just simply taps on your profile, they'll be able to zoom into your profile picture. But if you want to disable it, here is a quick and easy fix. So the first thing you want to do is head over to your profile section and simply tap on edit profile. Now here you'll have an option to edit picture or your avatar. So you just want to head over to edit picture or avatar, and then you simply want to add your avatar to your profile picture. What that will do is it will create a spin on your profile and people won't be able to zoom into your profile picture. So simply go ahead and add to profile picture now, and then your avatar will be added to your profile. So if I just go back now and then flip my profile like this, as you can see, the avatar has been added to my profile. If you don't have one, you can always create a new avatar and it's really easy. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and I'll see you guys on the next video.